Girly girl, I have to come and see you. Sophia, Sophia, hey, is that you? Hey, my friend, you look beautiful, oh. Hey, look at how you're looking flashy and beautiful. Where have you been all this while? Really, girl? As you know, I traveled. Yeah. Traveled. I know that you have been gone now. I thought you went to see that your mother or that's your family. I didn't know that you would be gone for such a long time. Where have you been? Nope. I did not go to my mother's place. I did not go to any family member's place for all that matter. Do you want to guess where I went to? Guess. Where could that be? Okay, you won't get it. Do you remember the guy that I told you that I met the other day? Ah. Do you mean the man in the flashy car? The car that was shining like the sun? The man in this with his beautiful shine shoes and beautiful clothes? You're not talking that man, Abby. You're not talking that man. Are you still talking to that man? Of course I'm still talking to him. Where does that come from? He's such a nice person. You, my friend, keeping a man over 6 months. Hey, you now still have that same man. Hey, my friend, God is by your side though. Hey, you're right. I was never able to keep a man. Because no matter how I met the man and everything was great, all of a sudden, he just disappeared. And I always kept wondering, why him disappear like that? This is the first time I've been speaking to someone for so long. And maybe it's because he's not even in my environment that much. The most time we spend together is the time that we traveled to Paris. So you went to Paris. You went to Paris. Girl, it was beautiful. Not only that, after we leave Paris, we went to Dubai. Girl, it was marvelous. Hi, so you went to Dubai before me? Hi, with this guy? You know what he said to me? Girl, I'm gonna treat you like a queen and we'll do this more often, because he was looking for me all this time. He didn't find anybody to, make him feel like I do. So, girl, I am so happy right now. You are happy? You better not talk fast, so. You better not talk fast, so. This man can be using you. He can be using you. You better not talk fast, so. Using? Hell no. He is not using me. I can attest to that. He's not using me, girl. How do you know? Can you prove it? Can you prove it? This man can just get up and leave like everybody else. He can just go. You might even call him, you do not get him. My friend, how do you know that this man will not use you like everybody else? How would you know? Well, number one, you'll never use a girl and take her all over the place, spending on her, making her feel like a queen, allow her to meet your family, just involve her in your life. If he didn't mean me any good, he wouldn't do that. So, I'm sure. I don't believe you. I do not believe you. Ain't no such thing. I do not believe you. I don't believe. Okay. If you insist, what do you think about this? Girl, he proposed to me in Dubai and it was, I don't want to cry. It was so good. He proposed to me and girl, engaged. You have a wedding to plan for because you're going to be my bridesmaid. Oh my God. Aren't you excited? I'm so excited.
Jesus is Lord.
Hi, Sophia.
Yes, girl.
You are getting married before me.
Yes.
I am happy for you.
Thank you, my friend.
Yes. I am so happy.
Thank you. I'm
My
excited.
friend going to be Mrs. Flashy Man.
Yes, flashy,
So
flashy.
you know go to a flashy woman, Abby.
Yes.
I am so happy for you.
Thank you.
You are getting married. Yep, I am. But guess what? When you come to my wedding, you can catch the flowers. Oh my God, girl. It means a lot to me. I am getting married. I am. I love him so much. I love him so much. And I know that he loves me. Girl, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. I don't want to start crying because it's just I'm not used to this. Sophia, you did go in love. That man is making you cry by being happy. Sophia, I am happy for you. But you don't have to be crying like this. You don't have to. You know I'm not used to this. I'm always in a relationship that it always break up. I don't know what's happened. They always leave. I don't know. But this one is just concrete. It's like nothing can pull us apart. And it feels so good. It feels like the right one, the right person, the right everything. Everything feels right, girl. And I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Sophia, I am happy for you. Yeah, sure. So you're happy for me? I don't understand how your face looks so. How you look so? You sure so you're happy for me? What is the meaning of this now? Sophia, I am your friend. I am happy. Besides, it's been a long time since I've been to a wedding, no. I am happy. My friend, please, I beg, do not start with me. Girl, buckle up for excitement because my wedding is going to be big. It's going to be big in one of the most beautiful hotels. Everything is going to be there, girl. The dress that I planned for you to wear, you have no idea. Anyways, I'm going to use the bathroom, so I'll be back, all right, to tell you more details. I'm so excited. Yeah. My friend, go now. For that you piss yourself up. Go and pee and come back. We'll celebrate. Sophia meet a man. Sophia get married before me. Hey. After all the try I tried to break our relationships, this one finally seemed to. Hey. What can I do to break this so? Hey. Hey. This will be true. My fiancé, we shall see. Hello? Hey, Sophia, fiancé. Yes, I heard about it. Sophia will be back. She's in the room with the next man. Oh. Yes, she's in the room with the next man. So you don't know. This girl keep a lot of man. Oh. A lot.
How do we hear of this?
My friend, this girl is a gold digger. She did not good for you.
Jesus
If I were you, I would run. Anyway, she be in the next room with the man. I warned you. You better disappear. If you know what is good for you. I know this, my friend. I'm not wicked to people, so I'm telling you.
Be prosecuted for that.
Sophia is in the room with another man. Okay. I will tell her that you call. Bye. Hey, Sophia, I will do it again. I will do it like every other one. I will do it again. Oh, I will do it again. I am back, my friend, my bridesmaid. Smile now. I'm so excited. I thought I heard my phone ring. Did my phone ring? Sophia. So you don't hear foolishness, so you are so excited that you don't hear foolishness, so you say you hear your phone ring. Did your phone ring, Abby? You don't hear foolishness, so hey. Okay. So, as I was saying, oh, my phone. Oh, look who is calling. Look who is calling. My bookie wookie. It's the man who stole my heart. Hey, my love. What? What do you mean my friend is not good for me? Babe, I told you should give my friend a chance. I have known her all my life, you know, babe. I known her for a very long time. Yes. Give her a chance. She's a nice person. I'm not saying that you're bashing her, but I think you should give her a chance and get to know her some more. Maybe at the end of the day, you'll definitely like her. Babe, I'm not picking up for my friend. I was at the bathroom. Yes, I'm at my friend's house. What? Hey, this man don't go let me down now. Hey, what will I do? Are you sure you called the right number? Babe, calm down. I am not underestimating your intelligence. I mean, I don't think my friend would say something like that, knowing that that's not true. So I'm wondering if you called the right number. My husband called a while ago. Excuse me, babe. My husband called a while ago. My fiance, girl, rushing it. Did he call? Did he call? And you tell him that I was with a man? Did you do that? Babe, I don't understand. What? You're outside to pick me up? You get here fast. But you know I wouldn't do such a thing. You're here to pick me up from my toxic friend. Oh my God. Okay, yes, I should stay around people like this. I'm coming. I'll be there. I'm coming. You know, we're friends for a decade, right? We're friends since Wapi kill Philip. What is he talking about? It's hard for me to believe. I mean, he won't lie, but what is he talking about? So you want to get married and leave me in this wicked place, Abby? Sophia, you are wicked. You are wicked. How can you meet a man and get married before me? Oh? Hey, Sophia, you are wicked. Every time you are the one who meet the better man. Oh. Hey, so that is why I have to wreck it. I finish all of that your relationship. You will not marry before me. Oh. Hey, Sophia, you are wicked. You are wicked. Oh. What? You're always going to mess up my relationships? So you're the person behind all my failing relationship.
First
And
of
I
all,
can't
yeah,
be my
this.
friend? Sophia, you are wicked. You are wicked and ungrateful. Oh. Me, I am protecting you. All this time, I am protecting you from these flashy men who say that they love you and they don't love you. Sophia, I am protecting you. I am your friend. I am protecting you. My friend, what is the problem? Oh? I am protecting you. Said I want to be protected. Is that protection? Watching me cry every day. Eating all sort of sweet because I am hurt all the time. All because of you. And you're telling me that you're protecting me? That's not protection. That's ruin. You're ruining my life. What kind of friend are you? No. You're not my friend. You're not my friend. You are wicked. Sophia, I'm protecting you and you are calling me wicked. You are calling me wicked. Sophia, you are very ungrateful. You are very ungrateful, Sophia, and you're not my friend though. I hope you walk out this house, drop and die. You are
Jesus
wicked.
is Lord.
You are wicked. Me, I'm protecting you. Now listen to yourself. You are wicked though. Very ungrateful. Yes. You are wicked. And after today, I don't ever want to see you again because you are toxic. You are wicked. I have nothing to do with you. You tried to ruin my life. And then I was wondering, why is everything so perfect? The fact that I was not here. And guess what? The moment I came to your house, you're trying to ruin everything. If he didn't know me, he would just disappear like everybody else. You are wicked. I don't want to have anything to do with you ever again. Friend, get out. With all pleasure. With all pleasure, I will leave your place and I will never come back. I don't ever want to see you again. And when I'm living my life, do not ever, if I see you anywhere near me, anywhere near my future kids, if I see your kids near my kids or your grandkids near my grandkids, I'm coming to get you. I have nothing to do with you, wicked friend. Get out now. Get out. Foolish. So that because you know that your kid is going to be flashy. So they are better than my kids. Because we are poor. And you are flashy. My friend, get out. Foolish. Talking about friend. You will never be my friend. Foolish. I don't know how I fail in this one. Oh. I don't know. I hope you go out and die, Sophia. Foolish. Get out. Stupid. Hey, how will I ruin this now? Hey, Sophia, it will not be well with you. It will not be well with you. Well, I, Nthia, be suffering. It will never be well with you. Idiot. Get out! Foolish.